Are you tired of eating stale chips? Or how about those endless piles of laundry you have to hang up?
There are so many ways to make life easier. You just might not know about them.
Do you ever feel like life is winning at overwhelming you? Leave that in 2021 and start defeating life. I'm always trying to make my life easier or more efficient in the ways I have control over. That way, I have more time for the things that I enjoy. You know, like dance parties in my living room or playing with my kids. Let me share some of my favorite hacks with you so you can intensify life versus life intensifying you.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. On my channel, I make videos about life hacks, ways to do things easier, more efficient, more cost effective, all of those things. So if you're interested in content like that, be sure not to miss a weekly video and hit that subscribe button down below.
Who else is guilty of storing their loaf of bread like this? And forget that bread tie, that takes too much time. Well, I have a trick for you to keep your bread fresh. First of all, make sure the air is out of the bread bag as best as you can. Then do that same roll and spin, but instead of tucking the bag under itself, take the excess bag and fold it over the loaf. Voila! Is your New Year's resolution to lose some weight, but you don't want to get a whole new wardrobe? A belt is an easy solution, right? Well, what about when even your belt is too long and there's that awkward flap hanging? I've got the solution for you. Take a hair tie. I almost always have one on my wrist or somewhere nearby. Tie it around your belt twice and use it as if it were another belt loop. Adjust it to where you need it, and just like that, you've solved that awkward flap problem. And you've got an extra hair tie if you end up needing one. Sometimes I find a couple hair ties on my belt. I've been doing this forever because, as you can see, my belt has probably lasted longer than it should have. And it's really probably time for me to get a new one. Have you ever grabbed your favorite snack out of the pantry only to find out they're stale? Gosh, I think this is worse than stubbing your pinky toe. And you know that's no fun. Let's not let this continue to be an issue for you. Take the box, and for 3 out of the 4 flaps, fold them in. One side and both end flaps folded directly in. Now do your best to crease the side like a gift bag. You know, like a gift for future you? You'll be thankful. Now that you've done your last flap, just tuck it in. This will work on nearly every snack, cereal, or pasta box. You're welcome. Now, if you like these hacks, please don't forget to give this video a like and share so other people can enjoy them too. This video is not one of a kind either. Making videos on how to make life easier is my niche. So hit that subscribe button and I'll make sure you don't regret it. Who else's least favorite task is hanging up laundry? I think I'd rather do 10 loads of dishes than a load of laundry. I think it's because to complete the whole task, there are multiple steps to get it done. Since I've dreaded hanging up my clothes so much, I had to find a way to make this process go faster. And to be honest, sometimes they still sit in a pile in my closet. But when I do have the ambition, it's easiest to take out all of my shirts, stack them in a pile. Once they're all in a pile, take a stack of hangers and one by one, slide the hangers in and fold the shirt forward. When you're all done, you can easily transfer them to the closet, and even easier, you can use an extra hanger to carry them if your hands are full or you don't want them overlapping or any other reason. You'll have to let me know if this hack helps motivate you to hang your clothes up. Are you clumsy like me? Or do you wish you had an ice pack that wasn't rock hard? I mean, because the last thing you want to use is something hard or sharp on something that hurts. Now that you've watched this video, you're going to know how to make an ice pack that doesn't harden. Just use approximately 1 part alcohol to 3 parts water, and voila! You'll have an ice pack that you can use over and over again. Just throw it in the freezer for a couple of hours and it'll be ready to use. Here's a clip of the ice pack I made in the video hours later when I remembered to take it out and video it for you. Now, you're never going to be without an ice pack again. Have you been using trash bags wrong your whole life? Did you ever notice when you open it up, the outside seems like it should be inside? Let me show you this little trick. Barely open the top of the trash bag, just enough to get it around the rim of your trash can. Then tuck it in from there. No more ugly trash bags hanging out, and it stays open so much better since it doesn't want to static back together in the inside this way. When I learned this, I realized I've been doing it wrong my whole life. What do you know? You can learn something every day.
As always, thank you guys for watching and have a great day.